Etsy. Etsy. All that glitters is indeed gold. For today I have, from my favorite video game of all time, Banjo-Kazooie for the N64. It's an 8-inch replica of a Jiggy or jigsaw piece from said game. And it had two optional colors, gold, as you see here, and yellow. If you want your own, like mine, I'll put a link in the description to where I bought it. You better hurry up because I'm checking the website now and it says it's low in stock. And that's for both gold and yellow. But enough chatter. Let's take a closer look at this 3D printed jigsaw Jiggy puzzle piece. I love the gold color on this. It's the standard Jiggy design that's synonymous with Banjo-Kazooie. Unfortunately, there are these obvious lines you could see, but that's a 3D printer for you. It's not perfect, but it gets the job done. I just love the details. It's not just a flat thing. It's big and thick. You can see the curved edges here, pointy edges here. This seems like something that another company would have made, but no, it was some awesome dude on Etsy. My only major complaint about this, I wish it wasn't hollow. I wish it was more solid, but whatever. In the first game of Banjo-Kazooie, these puzzle pieces were used to fill in spots in Gruntilda's lair to complete pictures that would help you access different worlds. And in those worlds, you would collect 10 more of these from each of those worlds. In Banjo-Tooie, the sequel, these were used to access King Jiggy Wiggy's palace, and then you would use those pieces in a timed minigame to put together and get access to various worlds. And like the first game, you would go to those worlds, get more jigsaw pieces. And in the third game, which arguably was the most controversial Banjo-Kazooie game, you still had to collect the jigsaw pieces, but you took them to Showdown Town and put it in like a big floating jar of some kind, and that would access new levels, and you would go into these levels with your weird vehicles, complete weird challenges. It just wasn't as fun as it sounds. And in the end of all three games, you collect a lot of these, you fight Gruntilda the Witch, and you win the day. But that is it for my review of my first ever purchase for myself from Etsy. Tell me, what do you guys think? And what is your favorite video game of all time? It could be for any video game console, any generation, as long as it's a video game. Let me know in the comments below. And don't worry, this isn't my last Banjo-Kazooie related review. So stay tuned for those, and like the 90s, which is where this originated from, let's get jiggy with it.